Freelancer or VA ka ba? Panoorin mo tong video na to. Lagi kang online, laging may ginagawa, pero minsan nakakalimutan mong hindi ka machine. Walang SSS, walang health card or HMO. Kapag nagkasakit ka, wala ring bayad, wala kang backup. Paano kung ma-hospital ka next week? Walang pasok, walang kita, pero may babayaran kang bills, rent, and kuryente. Kaya habang healthy ka pa, protect yourself. Number 1, get life insurance. Kahit yung basic plan lang, kung magkano yung kaya mong masimulan, basta covered ka. Number 2, start your emergency fund kung wala pa. Ang goal is to have 6 to 12 months of your monthly expenses. For the reason is, freelancer ka na, hindi na talaga yung parang employed, so kailangan mas malaki yung maiipon mo for your safety net or emergency fund. Kahit simulan mo muna sa tig 500 pesos per week or kung magkano yung maluwag sa'yo, basta gawin mo siya consistently. Ma-recommend ko, ilagay mo siya sa digital banks para may opportunity siya to grow, or kung hindi ka comfortable doon, mag-open ka ng separate account na hindi mo siya gagalawin. Third is to have a separate savings account na hindi mo rin gagalawin unless super kailangan mo. Hindi ka kasi forever may client. Hindi rin forever malakas ka. So better magkaroon ng separate plan and you are considered na rin na parang self-employed professional as freelancer, di ba? Kaya kung ready ka nang gumawa ng plan para sa'yo, PM me. I'll help you start your savings plan na may protection at pang long term.